Tetra4D Automate, a simple server solution for automatically creating 3D PDFs. The 3D CAD model is checked into the PDM/PLM system or your own internal storage network, which can be controlled through an approval process. If additional attribute information is missing from the native 3D CAD model, metadata and properties are extracted from both PDM, PLM, or ERP systems and synchronized with your data. Once your data is aggregated, your 3D CAD model and attribute information is sent to the server. Using predefined XML parameters, Automate will insert your 3D CAD model and metadata into a reusable template that was created using a plugin to Acrobat Professional Tetra4D Enrich. Once your interactive 3D PDF is complete, Automate will send the 3D PDF back to your PDM/PLM system or internal storage network. The user then checks out the 3D PDF from the system or simply the designated watched folder. Tetra4D Automate, a simple server solution for automatically creating 3D PDFs.